First, return to 0 before starting the machine tool. Then press manual mode. This is the quick button. Spindle reversal. We need to start the chuck to start the spindle reverse. This button is the spindle stop. Spindle forward. When the chuck is not locked, the spindle cannot rotate. These are cooling, lubricating keys. These buttons change the speed of the spindle. This is the fast rate. This is the feed rate. This is the automatic mode button. Press the start button to start the automatic mode. You can edit the program here. This is NDI mode. In automatic mode, there are single mode, etc. to choose from. This is the K1, K2, K3 auxiliary button. We also support UG software, modeling programming. Welcome to Consult.